Hello, I am Kasali Spinag from grade 11 STEM Wisdom. I am assigned to do the number 4 of the problem set number 3, given the equation of the ellipse. Let's get started. What we have in the given equation is x squared over 4 plus y squared over 64 equals to 1. We should remember that A should be greater than B and B should be greater than 0. What we have in the equation is yung x squared, nasa ilalim niya yung B. And yung y squared is nasa ilalim niya yung A since ito yung pinaka-walaking number among the equation. Since sabi nga, A should be greater than B. Use A to denote the distance of a vertex and B to find the distance of a co-vertex and C to locate the focal distance. Now, ang A squared natin should be the higher number, yung pinakamalaking number sa equation, which is the 64. Kaya, i-bring down natin yung 64 sa A squared since ito nga yung pinakamalaking number. I-squared natin siya at magiging 8. While sa B squared, to find the co-vertex, ang B squared natin, the B squared should be greater than 0, which is, sa equation natin is 4. Kaya, ilalapag natin sa B squared is 4. Kapag in-square root naman natin, we're gonna square root it. Ang kakalabasan niya is 2. While to locate the focal distance naman, we're going to use the formula of the square root of A squared minus B squared. Ano nga ba yung A squared natin and B squared natin? The A squared natin is the 64 and the B squared natin is the 4. Kaya ang kakalabasan niyan is square root of 64 minus 4. Square root of 64 minus 4 ay magiging square root of 60. At kapag naman kinalculate natin siya, ay magiging 7.7. Sa paghahanap naman ng mga graph, ay meron tayong vertices, co-vertices, latus rectum, and focus. Mamaya na natin pag-uusapan yung sa paghahanap ng latus rectum. Ngayon, sa pag-graph naman, hanapin muna natin yung vertices. Since nahanap na natin yung A squared natin, pwede natin siyang i-graph. Pwede natin i-graph yung vertices. Now, sa pag-graph, matidetermine natin kung horizontal ba yung ellipses natin o vertical by looking at the equation. Since yung x squared ay nasa ilalim ng 4, ma-determine natin dito kung vertical ba siya o horizontal. Kapag mababa yung number sa ilalim ng x squared, magiging vertical siya. While kapag mataas naman yung nasa ilalim ng number ng x squared, magiging horizontal siya. Now, nalaman na natin kung saan tayo magsisimula sa pag-graph, kung horizontal ba siya o vertical. Tingnan natin yung equation natin sa pinaka-ilalim ng x squared, kung horizontal ba siya o vertical. Tingnan natin. Ang nasa ilalim ng x squared ay b, which is the 4. Siyempre, mababa yung number na nasa ilalim ng x squared. Kaya mag-i-start tayo sa pa-vertical. Sa paghahanap naman ng vertices, since nahanap na nga natin yung a squared, simplified na a natin is equal to 8. Hahanapin natin siya sa y-axis. Here, hahanapin natin yung 8. We're gonna put the 8 in both sides. We're going to have the 0, 8 and 0, negative 8 as our vertices. Here's the vertices. While sa co-vertices naman, meron na tayong answer sa b squared para mahanap natin. Ang b squared natin is 2, which is the co-vertices. And yung co-vertices natin nasa x-axis. Hahanapin natin siya. Here, the 2 in both sides. We're going to have the co-vertices in the right side as 2, positive 2, 0. And we're going to have negative 2, 0 sa left side as our co-vertices. While sa focus naman, hahanapin natin siya sa y-axis. Ang focus natin ay 7.7, and since nasa axis siya, at nasa pagitan siya ng 7 and 8, at mas malapit siya sa 8, we're going to grab 8 na mas malapit sa 8. At ang kakalabasan niyan ay 0.0, 7.7 and 0, negative 7.7. Now, sa paghahanap naman ng latus rectum, ang formula natin dyan is b squared over a. Ang b squared natin ay 4. While ang a natin, ang simplified natin na sagot na a ay 8. Kapag pinag-divide naman siya, pagiging 4 divided by 8 is equal to 0.5. Kapag maghahanap naman tayo ng latus rectum, mag-i-start tayo sa focus. Hanapin natin siya from left and right since yung ellipsis natin is pa-vertical. Hanapin natin siya sa y-axis muna, which is the 0.5, the positive in 4 sides, which is here, the 0.5 sa gitna ng 0 and 1, and sa right, 0.5 rin dito sa kabila, and sa baba, 0.5, and dito rin sa 0.5 sa baba. Now, lagi siya nakatutok sa focus, which is the 7.7 na sa 7.7 sa x-axis. We're going to have negative 0.5 and negative 7.7, 0.5, 7.7, negative 0.5, 7.7, 0.5, negative 7.7. That is all. Thank you for listening. I hope you learned something new.